Want to know exactly who's visiting your website and how they interact with it? Setting up visitor tracking in Hubspot is the key. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process of setting up visitor tracking so you can start capturing valuable insights and turning visitors into leads. Follow along carefully because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have HubSpot tracking fully enabled on your site. First, log into your HubSpot account, open your browser, head to hubspot.com, and click the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Next, let's head to the Settings. Look at the upper right section of your screen and click on the gear icon. This takes you straight into HubSpot's Settings area, where we'll set up our tracking. Now, in the left sidebar menu, find the section called Tracking and Analytics. Click on it, and within this section, select Tracking Code. Here, HubSpot will display a snippet of code. This is your unique tracking code. Simply copy it. Make sure you copy the entire code accurately because this is what enables HubSpot to track your website visitors. The next step is integrating this tracking code into your website. Depending on your site's platform, you'll usually paste this code into the global header or footer so it appears on every page. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, go to your theme settings and insert it into the header. For custom-coded websites, your developer can place it in the HTML head section. Once the code is added, save the changes. And that's it. From now on, HubSpot will start tracking your visitors' behavior, giving you valuable data like page views, time spent on site, and more. And there you have it. Your HubSpot visitor tracking is now up and running. This simple setup will help you understand your audience better and optimize your marketing strategy. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.